Good morning, South. I'm Leah Hannon.
And I'm Jessica Swanson. We have a quick WTV show this morning to accommodate the Safety Assembly schedule.
We're lucky to have one of the nation's most renowned experts in school safety on campus today to report back after observing our recent lockdown drill.
So here's how the rest of the day looks. In just a few minutes, second block ends. All students go directly to third block.
Classes that normally have third and fourth lunch will go to the first assembly, and those with first and second lunch will go to the second assembly.
Once dismissed from your third block class, please go directly to the gym, sit in the assigned sections, and please pay attention. This message is important for your safety.
Also, if you attend West Sound Tech, report to the gym for the first assembly this morning and sit in Section A, rows 1 and 2. And then you'll catch the bus in the south parking lot at 11:15.
And finally, just a heads up, during third block today, when not in the assembly, sophomores and seniors will participate in a healthy youth survey. Now other news.
If bowling is your sport, ladies should see Coach Ledoux in the security office. Their season starts later this month. If basketball is your sport, girls basketball candidates should attend an important meeting today after school in the choir room. And for all winter sports, remember, you need your pink slip clearance by November 9th. Visit the athletics office for more questions.
Calling all elevator keys. If you have an elevator key checked out but no longer need it, please return it to Mrs. Pence in the main office. A special event is coming up at Orchard Heights. It's their winter carnival and they need volunteers to give them a hand. The carnival is next month, but they'd like to line up volunteers right now. Contact, you guessed it, Orchard Heights. We'll be right back.
This is a sophomore wearing his only yellow class shirt. But during lunch today, this happened. Now, he is panicking because his class pride is stained. But no worries. You can order a sophomore class shirt. Come to the front table on A-days at lunch.
If you purchased pictures from Bayside at homecoming and have not picked them up yet, they will be waiting for you to stop by the table in the commons during lunch. Moving on to club news, FCCLA is meeting today after school in room 201. Also meeting today, Anime, ASL, Model UN, and STEM. Tomorrow, good old D&D and IB action will meet.
And now, let's take a look at the schedule of events. Let's get it rolling. Because of the short show, we won't be announcing sports results today. Instead, they will be announced tomorrow.
In career news, if you are a senior Latino, there is a $5,000 scholarship opportunity waiting for you, along with many other scholarships that you'll find in the Career Center. Also in the Career Center, college visits to consider. University of Redlands is here today, and later this week, Eastern, Whitworth, Seattle U, and Central Washington will be on campus. See their Career Center for a pass.
And if you're curious about this week's choice for musical passing, it's for Hispanic Heritage Month.
That's all the time we have, but before we leave, here's the quote of the week. Have a good day, South.